We've got the Ruger RXM here with the new Timney Trigger Alpha competition installed, and so far it's been an absolutely fantastic trigger. We're going to do a drop test with it now, just to see if it's drop safe. So weapon is clear currently, nothing in the chamber. Dry fire, boom. Empty magazine gonna go in, and I have a case here with the bullet and the powder pulled, but it still has live primer in there. Hopefully that'll show up on camera. And we're just gonna drop this thing in here and see if it is drop safe. Rounds in the chamber. And let's just do, what, about 5 feet? Okay. Gun did not go off. Magazine is still inserted. Mag out. Still got the case in here. And just to show you that it does have a live primer in it, there you go. So the Timney Alpha competition trigger for the Ruger RXM is apparently drop safe. And this is the second test that I've done with this, so seems to work out pretty good.